In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google Docs. If you're new to Google Docs or just looking to add a bit more organization and clarity to your document, using tables can be incredibly helpful. Tables are great for structuring information in a way that's easy to read and understand, making your documents look more professional. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open the document where you plan to insert the table. This could be a new document or an existing one where you'd like to add organized data. Simply head over to Google Docs and find the document you need by looking through your drive or by using the search bar if you've got a lot saved there. Once your document is open and ready to go, move to the top of the screen. Next, locate the menu bar. At the top, you'll see a series of options like File, Edit, View, and so on. What you're looking for is Insert. Click on Insert to reveal a drop-down menu of additional options. Now, from the drop-down menu, you will want to find Table. Hover your cursor over the Table option, and you should see a grid appear right next to the menu. This grid is essential for the next step because it allows you to choose exactly how many rows and columns your table will have, providing you the flexibility to tailor the table to your specific needs. Here's where the customization happens. With your cursor, click and drag over the grid to highlight the number of rows and columns you need. You'll notice that as you drag your cursor over the grid, the dimensions of the table you are about to create will be displayed. Use this feature to ensure you've selected the correct size. If you're not quite sure how many rows or columns you need, don't worry, you can always adjust the table later as your content evolves. Once you've highlighted the desired grid, it's time to make it appear in your document. To do this, simply release your mouse button. Voila! The table will now be inserted directly into your Google Doc. You'll see the grid structure displayed in your document, ready for you to start entering data or organizing your content. This process is straightforward, but it opens up a world of possibilities for your document's layout and design. You can format your table further by adjusting its headings, merging cells, or even changing the border colors to make it visually appealing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with the table settings to see what works best for your document. And that's all there is to it. Creating tables in Google Docs can really make your information stand out, so give it a try and transform your documents with this simple yet powerful tool. Thank you for watching, and happy documenting!